What is going on, Aron here? This is the week 6 of your 90-day challenge. Huge well done to you if you've been following through week by week. If you have, be proud of yourself, okay? So this week we'll be going through some mistakes that you could be doing if you're not quite getting the results that you desire. So first of all, scales is not the only factor that you should be looking at when it comes to fat loss, right? Because scale could be 3 different things: fat, water, or muscle. So if you are gaining or losing, that doesn't mean right away that that's body fat. So you have to start looking at other things to actually check your progress, such as your energy levels, right? Your measurements around your body, or how your clothes feel. So you have to start looking at other factors too. Now, if you are looking at other factors too, such as those things I just mentioned, but you're still not quite getting the results that you'd want, right? Then these are the 3 mistakes that you could be making. First one is consistency. Consistency is everything, right? It's good to be consistent from Monday to Friday, but the big question is, how do you do over the weekend? Do you go crazy over the weekend because you track your foods and you manage to get your walks and stuff? Or do you also track your weekend and you actually watch out what you eat and also you still get your walks in? Second one is, are you being honest? Are you tracking everything with your food? Or are you only tracking the foods that you'd want to track? Honesty is everything when it comes to also losing fat. So make sure that you are being honest when it comes to tracking and also with your exercises too. Last one is patience. So if you are being honest and you're being consistent at the same time, the question is, are you being patient enough? You have to realize that if it took you 5 years, 10 years, or 15 years to build these bad habits, it's not going to take you a week to lose it or 2 weeks to reverse it all back, right? So have that expectation that it will take time to get the results that you'd want, right? So those are the 3 things. You have to stay consistent, you have to be honest, and you have to be patient, right? If you got any questions about anything, message me on my Instagram. I'd love to help, right? Apart from that, keep up what you're doing and I will see you next week.
How'd you like the video? Make sure you leave us a comment down below on what you'd like to see us do next. And don't forget to follow us on all of our social media @Digital. See you in the next video.